Good morning, children. Today we will finish with this chapter, that is English workbook lesson number 4, page number 14. So fill in the blanks with go or goes. In the last video we have done with the do and does. Yes, I have explained you how to do it. I have given you the points where do will be there and where does will be putting. So now here is you have to fill in with go or goes. So here we start with the thing. First is we dash to the market every week. We go to the market every week. Second, they dash to the park today. They go to the park today. Can we dash to the zoo tomorrow? Can we go to the zoo tomorrow? She will dash to the beach on Sunday. She will go to the beach on Sunday. I want to dash to Egypt. I want to go to Egypt. Did he dash home early? Did he go home early? Rita dash to the farm every Sunday. Rita goes to the farm because here it is singular. So it will come as goes. Here she will go to the beach on Sunday. I already explained you he, she, they will have does. But here this is in the future tense. This is in the future tense. So that's why will, where will is there, we will use go. She will go to the beach on Sunday. Then 8th one, me and my father dash fishing on weekends. Me and my father go fishing on weekend. Arya and her friend go shopping. Here we are talking about two person. Here in these both the sentence we are talking about two persons. That me and my father go fishing on weekends. That they always go to fishing on the weekends. So here we have to put go, not goes. Arya and her friends go shopping. They plan to go for shopping. So here two is not there. So here two persons are there. Arya and her friends. Friends is always plural. Me and my father. So here more than two persons are there. So we will be using go, not goes. We will go to zoo on holiday. We go to the zoo on holidays. We go because it is we here. I will go there next month. Will again is in the future. They are planning to go there in the next month. So it will be go. I hope it is clear to you where to put do, does, and where to put go and goes. Now copy down this. Now come to page number 15. It's a very simple thing. Writing part. Let us make an invitation card for your birthday. Fill in the blanks with words from the box to complete the card. Here are some words given. You can see in the box. Starts at 5 p.m. My house. You could come. Close friends. Going to be. So here there is one invitation is given. It's my birthday. What type of invitation is there? It's a type of a birthday. So when you have your birthday, you have to give any party you are giving. So you have to invite your friends. You have to give an invitation to your friends, relatives. So this is a kind of a invitation of a birthday. So here we'll start with the thing. Dear friend, I am dash years old next week. Now I am going to be 7 years old next week. I am throwing a small party for all my close friends. I am going to be 7 years old next week. I am throwing a small party for all my close friends. I will be very happy if you could come. See, I am adding all these words from this box only. In this box it is given. Then, I will be very happy if you could come for my birthday party. The party starts at 5 p.m. The party starts at 5 p.m. on Saturday at my house. Please do come. We will have loads of fun. So here we have all added these words which are given in this one. We have added in this invitation letter. This is a kind of an invitation letter when we are inviting our friends or relatives for any birthday, for our birthday. Here your name means every children have to write your name in this blank. That's why I have kept it empty. Again I am repeating, I am going to be 7 years old next week. I am throwing a small party for my close friends. I will be very happy if you could come for my birthday party. The party starts at 5 p.m. on Saturday at my house. Please do come. We will have loads of fun. Here your name. Every children have to write your name. Got it? So here we have finished off with this chapter. So please do all the exercise from the videos and complete this chapter. Till then, thank you children.